Hello, welcome friends. On this video, we'll discuss find the index of first occurrence in a string. Here we have given two strings, needle and haystack, and we need to return the index of the first occurrence of needle. In haystack, or we need to return -1. Needle is not part of haystack. If it is not part of haystack, then we need to return -1. So let's say sad but sad, and needle is sad, then we need to return the sad. So explanation here, let's discuss. So we have given input sad but sad, and we have given the needle. This is our haystack. So we have given a haystack and we have given second string needle. So we need to return the index of first occurrence. If you see, this is the first occurrence of this, so we can say the index of this is 0. In that case, we have to return the 0. So how to solve this problem? We need to iterate over the loop this. Okay, so if we remove this, then the length of this would be this much. As we already know, if this needle is found here, then it would be part of this. So we can reduce the loop size as well. So we can run loop till, let's say, we start from int I is equal to 0 and I less than or equal to haystack dot length and minus this needle dot length, and later we can do I plus plus, whether it is at 0, 1, 2, whatever the place, but we can reduce this effort. Now we need to do the substring to check whether starting indexes matches with the needle or not. Okay, so our index starts from 0, then we can check from 0 itself whether it matches our needle or not. Here I will create one object str and we can substring this haystack. Now we have to write our substring function. So this will start from our ith index. In our case, it will start from this 0th index. If you see here, sad but sad, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So initially the I is 0. So here we do I of this, and we need to do I plus needle length. So this is 0 and the length of needle is 3. It will return like this because it came at first occurrence itself. So we are doing 0 and 0 comma 3, substring of 0 comma 3. So it will return this SAD. Now we need to compare this SAD which we get from this substring function. So we can compare if this str is equals with needle. If it is equal, then return index. End of the loop, we can return -1. So this is the simple logic which we need to write to get the occurrence of that needle. Let's code it out. We also need to handle some edge cases like haystack is null, haystack is equal to null, or needle is null. In that case, we need to return 0. Or also one more case, we can check whether it is the length of this is null or not. Length of this is 0. That case also we need to return the 0. Now we can write our loop from here. For int I is equal to 0, I less than haystack dot length minus needle dot and then I plus plus. Now we need to write our function to get the string. Here we will get the string, then we will compare str is equal to haystack dot substring, and here we need to pass our I comma I plus needle dot length. Now we need to write our if condition. If str is equal to, then return I, and at the end we need to return the -1. Let's run this. 72 case passed, only one is pending. Expected 0. It is okay. This condition less than is equal to. So it is accepted. Let me submit this. Beats 100% of user with Java. Thank you so much for watching.